how to adjust the contrast on Smart TV. And okay guys, the first things you can do is go to menu on your remote. And now you can see the option. So go to settings. And you can see below. So click this. Here in settings in picture. Okay. Go to picture and you can see the option again. And you can see the picture mode settings below. Then now you can adjust the display settings for each picture mode. So okay, now you can go to picture mode settings. And now you can see the option again. And you can see the contrast. And the contrast is set into 50%. And now you can adjust the contrast level to increase or decrease how bright images appear. And to adjust the contrast, you'll have to do is go to contrast. And you can see the adjustment here. And you can adjust to the right to hide the contrast. And you can adjust to the left to low the contrast. And okay guys, I decide to set the contrast of my Smart TV into 60. And that's it guys, we have successfully adjust the contrast on my Smart TV.